Stephen Curry. Kevin Durant.
Just dribbles into a three and buries another one.
Oh, it's soaked out of his hands.
Shot clock at 1. Jerebko beat the buzzer, and he got it!
As I said, a forward that can shoot threes.
Welcome to the Warriors Part 2. Klay Thompson again.
Oh, my.
Came on 100 miles an hour. McKinney in traffic, lay it in and draw the foul.
Nice job protecting the ball.
For NBA history, he got it! 14 threes in a game. Has never been done until tonight.
Over 15 a game. Very early in the season. How about that rebound?
Oh,
Damn, this guy's got hops.
Oh, McKinney.
McKinney has bigger hops than you expect.